Welcome to Cloud Tools and Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about unique key constraint. Unique key constraint uniquely identify records in a table in Oracle database. There will be more than one unique key in a table, and unique key allow multiple null values for a column in a table. And let's discuss with an example. So you can see that in this example here I will create a table employees underscore tbl. Employee underscore tbl has employee id, employee name, passport number and government id. So here I will creating unique key in employee id. Let's create this table first. Table created successfully. Now you can see that there are a set of insert statements. So first I will insert one employee id, John for employee name, 123 for passport number, 5679 government id. So you can see that row inserted successfully. Now after that you can see that to Smith and so on. Let me insert this one. So you can see that row inserted successfully. So let me show you the result. There are two rows inserted in employees underscore tbl table. Now in the third insert statement I will allow null to be inserted in employee id column. So it will allow me to insert this statement too. Row inserted successfully. After that let me show you the result again. So there will be three rows in a table and with null, David and so on. Now if I try to insert 2 again with the Smith, it will give me a unique constraint error. So you can see that unique key constraint doesn't allow to enter 2 value against employee id. But you can see that I will again insert this null value with David. It will allow me to insert the null value in the employee id column. Yes, you can see that. So in Oracle database, unique key can allow multiple null values. From here you can see that there is more than one null values in the employee column. Now I will drop the table and create with multiple unique key in a table. So table drop successfully. After that I will create the same table with the employee id, employee name, passport number and government id. So here I will try to create more than one unique key in a table with the employee id, passport number and government id. So Oracle database will allow me to create 3 unique keys in employees underscore tbl. So let me create this table again. So table created successfully with 3 unique key constants. So here are the some insert statements. So first I will try to insert employee id 1, employee name Smith, passport number 1234 and government id 5679. So Oracle database will allow me to insert this statement, and then I will insert passport number with the null value. So it will also allow me to insert this statement too. So now I will try to insert employee id with null and government id with null. So it also allow me to insert the null values in both the columns. So lastly I will try to uh, put our null values in passport number and government ID column. So again it will allow me to insert value null values successfully. So after inserting, let me show you the some result of inserting values in TBL and employee underscore TBL table. So let me query this table. So you can see that employee ID is have null value, passport number have more than one null value, and government ID also have more than one null value. So if I try to enter John with the one employee ID, passport number same as inserted before, and the government ID 567 I inserted before, so it will again give me the error of the unique key constraint. Let me show you. So here it will allow me this, you can see the unique key constraint error, so you can't insert the same value if you implemented the unique key constraint. So at the end I will repeat that unique key constraint uniquely identify records in a table. Unique key can allow multiple null values in a column, and lastly there will be one more than one unique keys in a table. Thanks for watching.